Alright, what's up guys? I'm back at the shop. I'm gonna give you a little update. I haven't taped any of this. I haven't taped none of this shit. Uh but yeah, let me show you that right now. So there's the engine bay. Got all that sanded. Just gotta touch up a little more areas there. Same thing over here, just down there. Everything's finally fully welded. The only thing left to weld, fuck is that? Is just like a plate here, and this, and on the bottom to reinforce this. Because I mean that's strong, but never know. But yeah, update on the motor, which you guys saw last time. You guys saw me put the intake in. I just did the throttle body, the little bracket. This is not the fuel rail I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the radium one. This one will work, but since I have radium everything, I might as well just use that, and I might give that to Daniel. But yeah, I just threw on the accessories. Alternator, water pump, power steering pump. Excessive brackets, distributor. It's sealed up. See the bung. Everything's sealed up on it. I just gotta do my oil relocation, and that's it. Motor's basically 91% up, and then I'm just gonna continue. Thing is, I ran out of Bondo, so as always I gotta run to Home Depot and get a small can of that so I can just finish up. Look at this. Daniel primered his car in and out. Getting there. New floor. The old one's still on it. That plate's just on top of it. Weld it. And then today we're gonna primer the bay. Took his motor out. His motor is more assembled than mine, so I just might take the parts off of it. JK, we'll see. But yeah, let me run to Home Depot. I don't really need that much. I just need to do like these little corners here, and that's it. Maybe we can primer this bay tonight too. Alright, little update. We're gonna primer. Daniel's here, got off work. We're gonna start primering the two bays. Just clean up a little bit. I have my bay finished, sanded. Everything I need to do is done. Just for that little fuck up spot right there. But I'm gonna primer it, and if it needs something else, we'll be able to see that once we primer. So yeah, so I'll show you guys that. I'm gonna wipe it down with acetone so there's no dirt on it, and that way the primer sticks a little bit better. prepped, covered, clean. Daniel's setting up the gun. Gonna do his first, then I'll do mine. Hey, you know what you're doing?
Not at all. Experimenting, that's what we do here.
Alright, boys. The bays are painted. Both the bays are painted now, so Daniel's gonna wet sand his. His is gonna be ready for paint. Mine, I gotta do a little bit of touch up and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah, you can, like right there. A little bit right there, you can see it. But the tubs came out perfect. Got a little, do a little bit of in there. Look good. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna touch up those areas and then just primer it again, and that should be it for the engine bay. After that, we can drop the motor in, mock up the intercooler piping, and keep going from there. We're done for the night. Came out pretty good. Hope you guys have liked the video. Little update on the motor. Some work on the car. So, like the video, subscribe, share, do everything.
Make me some money.
Make us GTR money. JK. Alright, boys. See you guys next time.